Welcome to the Neoteric Pedagogy, a video on upgrading the educational operating system for Generation Z and Generation Alpha. We will explore best practices and strategic frameworks to engage modern learners effectively. We are facing a great educational disconnect. Traditional methods rely on passive, sequential learning. Modern learners, however, are wired for active, parallel, multimodal processing, demanding a shift to active parallel models that incorporate visual input, collaboration, and instant feedback. Let's define the modern learner. Gen Z are digital integrators, whose tech milestone was the smartphone. General Alpha are digital dependents, born with AI and voice integration, showing a preference for gamified rewards and hyper-personalization. Gen Z adapted to the digital world. General Alpha was born into the cloud. The shift in learning is cognitive rewiring, not cognitive decline. Modern learners have evolved an efficient 8-second relevance filter to manage information overload. They exhibit visual dominance and naturally engage in multimodal intake, processing information from various sources simultaneously. We face the dual challenge of high digital literacy and low social-emotional learning, or SEL. Children spend significant time on screens, which correlates with difficulties in emotional self-regulation. Education must deliberately cultivate human skills, resilience, and emotional intelligence. The educator's role is shifting from a knowledge transmitter to an experience designer. Information is a free commodity. The educator's value lies in designing immersive, vetted, and meaningful learning experiences that incorporate AI, peer networks, and real-world context. Strategy Pillar 1 is micro and nano learning. Instead of the legacy 60-minute lecture, we utilize nano-modules, short video hooks, interactive quizzes, and peer discussions. The goal is to chunk information to bypass the 8-second cognitive filter and deliver mobile-first content. Strategy Pillar 2 emphasizes experiential and active learning. Learners demand the why and must transform from information consumers to knowledge creators. Actionable tactics include connecting learning objectives to real-world careers and prioritizing project-based learning. Strategy Pillar 3 is technology as a co-pilot. Instead of fighting smartphones, we leverage them. The technology stack includes LMS and mobile apps, collaborative clouds, and AI tutors, or AR/VR for hyper-personalization, deploying adaptive learning paths. Strategy Pillar 4 focuses on gamification and immediate feedback. General Alpha expects instant feedback loops, like those found in Minecraft and Roblox. We should implement point systems, low-stakes continuous assessments, and concise feedback delivered immediately after an action. Tactical calibration for Generation Z, the collaborative pragmatists, requires 3 actions. Facilitate peer learning, prove the utility of modules by connecting them to careers, and act as a mentor supporting self-directed decisions. For Generation Alpha, the AI-native creators, tactical calibration centers on hyper-personalization. We must utilize adaptive tech, allow for voice, choice, and purpose in learning, and ground the digital experience with hands-on, tactile exploration. A core system requirement is social-emotional learning, or SEL. We must balance digital immersion with emotional resilience. Strategies include embedding empathy into problem-solving, teaching digital hygiene, and creating emotionally safe spaces that destigmatize failure. The Neoteric Educator's Checklist confirms 5 essential actions. Chunk material into 10 to 15-minute modules, maintain a relevance engine, incorporate engagement loops, prioritize collaboration, and embed humanic infrastructure like SEL and digital hygiene. Building the future workforce requires us to equip the most technologically fluent generations to solve problems that don't yet exist. While algorithms personalize content, only human educators provide the mentorship and emotional intelligence needed to turn digital dependence into visionary leaders.